Here in TecnoCampus, I really enjoyed because I was really together with other students.
We used to do the classes with a native professor from here, and in this experience we have other professors. The way to teach us was so different.
Within the field of nursing education, it's necessary to incorporate new educational technologies. In this line, the iVox platform is an open access tool that facilitates student learning and can be easily integrated into different training programs to work on knowledge, technical skills, critical thinking, among other competencies. For teachers and students, the iVox platform has many advantages. It reduces the time spent searching for quality materials, allows access from different devices, and at the same time allows students to learn at their own pace. I would highlight the challenge of coordinating a European project with very different countries in time of the COVID pandemic. But we have achieved it because we all share the same goal, which is to provide a tool to improve nursing training.
Probably the most important part of that program was that it's the final act that we have done in order to test what has this iVox platform been from that project. It was really important for us to know what the students think about that platform, and it was interesting for us also to know how these students have this kind of experience with that program, that international program. In the end, I will say that we have a very good friendship, we have a very good colleagues from all the universities, and I keep that in my heart, and I think that is probably the best experience and memory that I can keep from that project, so I'm really grateful for that.